Disney World, the happiest place on Earth, could be within your reach at the best price. Imagine the magic, the fairy tales, the thrilling rides, and the enchanting characters that make Disney World a dream destination. But let's be real, the cost can sometimes feel like a villain in our story. Fear not, this video will guide you through the enchanted forest of prices and deals. Stick around and we'll reveal the secrets to securing your Disney World adventure at a price that won't break the bank. There's more than one way to get your hands on those coveted Disney World passes. Firstly, you can buy directly from the Disney World website. This is the most straightforward method, as you're dealing directly with Disney. The prices here are standard, no discounts, but you get peace of mind knowing you're buying from the source. Then, there are travel agencies. These often package Disney World passes with other travel amenities like airfare and hotel accommodations. You might find this convenient if you prefer having your entire trip planned out for you. However, be cautious. Some agencies might include extra costs for their services, so ensure to read the fine print. Another method involves discount websites. These can offer some seriously tempting deals. You'll find passes at lower prices compared to buying directly or through travel agencies. But, like a true adventurer, tread carefully. Check for any hidden fees or restrictions. It's all fun and games until you realize your pass isn't valid on the day you plan to visit. Lastly, don't overlook memberships or loyalty programs. If you're a frequent visitor, these can offer some sweet deals. They often feature discounts on passes, merchandise, and even food and drink within the park. Remember, the best method for you will depend on your specific needs and circumstances. There's no one-size-fits-all answer here. Now that you know the basics, let's dive deeper into how you can get the best deals. One of the easiest ways to save is by planning your trip during off-peak times. Disney World often reduces prices during these periods to attract visitors, so you're not only saving money, but also avoiding the crowds. Next, be on the lookout for special promotions. Disney World frequently offers deals, like discounted multi-day passes or packages that include lodging and meals. You might even find promotions that include additional perks like extra fast passes or early park entrance. Also, consider joining reward programs. Many credit card companies offer points that can be redeemed for travel, including Disney World tickets. But remember, the key to getting the best deal is doing your research. Compare prices, read the fine print, and don't be afraid to ask questions. With a bit of planning and savvy shopping, you can make your Disney World dreams come true without emptying your wallet. We've shared our tips, now it's your turn. We encourage each one of you to put these methods to the test. Go out there and grab the best deals on Disney World passes. And once you do, don't keep the magic to yourself. Share your experiences right here in the comments section. Did you find a better deal? Did our tips work for you? Did you have a magical encounter with Mickey Mouse? We want to hear it all. Sharing is caring after all. Your experiences could be the guiding light for another Disney dreamer, another budget traveler looking to make the most out of their Disney World adventure. Your tips could help someone else save some extra pennies, and who knows, they might even share a tip or two that you didn't know about. We can't wait to hear about your adventures in the happiest place on Earth. Remember, every penny saved is a penny more to spend on making magical memories at Disney World.